PULWTOP wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver, cable-free, hassle-free streaming. The PULWTOP wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver redefine the way you connect and enjoy your content, offering a cable-free, hassle-free streaming solution. Here's a closer look at what this innovative device brings to your home theater, office meetings, lectures, and educational experiences. A clutter-free solution, this transmitter and receiver combo is all about simplicity. It boasts a minimalist design that completely eliminates the need for cables, apps, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi. With plug-and-play functionality, connecting your devices is a breeze. Just make sure your TV is set to HDMI mode, and you're ready to enjoy a clean and comfortable work or living environment. Seamless wireless streaming. The PULWTOP wireless HDMI transmitter ensures that your streaming experience is hassle-free. Whether you want to mirror the content from your laptop or phone screen, this device guarantees a seamless connection. It's the perfect addition to your home cinema setup and a practical way to share data in various settings. Say goodbye to tangled cables and hello to convenient, cable-free content enjoyment. Wide coverage and reliable signal. With a transmission distance of up to 98 feet, 30 meters, this wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver offer impressive coverage. The powerful remote signal easily penetrates walls, floors, and ceilings, ensuring a reliable and uninterrupted transmission. You can move around freely without worrying about signal drop-offs. High-definition streaming. When it comes to video quality, the PULWTOP wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver don't compromise. They are designed to deliver high-definition video, allowing you to wirelessly stream 1080p HD content to your display. Whether you want to cast movies or any other content from your laptop, camera, or cable box, this combination ensures a crystal-clear viewing experience that preserves the detail and clarity of your content. In conclusion, the PULWTOP wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver redefine the way you connect and enjoy your content. With a focus on simplicity, seamless streaming, wide coverage, and high-definition quality, this device is a game-changer for home entertainment and professional applications. If you've already embraced this cable-free solution, you're in for a streaming experience that's both convenient and interruption-free.